Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to iPad Air 5th generation Wi-Fi. Firstly, go into Play Store on an Android and App Store over here on iPad. Now you need to click on the search bar, type and send anywhere, and download this free app from this developer. Following that, select Open. Now you need to choose on iPad Allow, then Allow access to all photos, Allow again, and finally OK. Then select Receive. On an Android though, just tap on Open. And here click on I accept, confirm, continue, and finally Allow. Now you need to select Send on this Android device and tap on all of those dots. Then just Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will only go with this one file. Just Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on iPad, choosing OK in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and tap on Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, after tapping OK, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!